And I think it will be very important we talk about the probiotic yogurt.
Yes.
And especially in this age where we are having antimicrobial resistance inakuwa high, where you find people are self-diagnosing the indications whenever over the counter, they get medications, antibiotic for flu, which should not be the case. So you find there's so many people ambao wanakuwa resistant because of that. So what happens with the probiotic? Probiotic are basically just life microorganisms that when given the right amount, it will give us health benefits and boost our immune system. And you find, for example, if I give an example, for example, to our ladies,
exactly. You mentioned that. Please emphasize that point.
When you talk about reproductive health, for instance, so you find what happens in case, for example, let me talk of an antibiotic use. When you use it for a prolonged period of time, most times you find antibiotics were given for 5 days. You have some people who have tried to use even 7, 10, or even 20 days. So what happens with that, and especially if you use a broad-spectrum antibiotic, broad-spectrum inamaanisha, it kills both the helpful bacteria and the harmful bacteria. So when it does that, it creates an imbalance or a vacuum in your system. So when that happens, then other infections take advantage of that void. So for example, if you're a female, you have things like candida. So they come and they overgrow in your system. So unapata vitu kama
candida, wa explain ni nini?
Candida ni fungal infection, yeast infection that usually comes to our system when there's an imbalance between the good bacteria and the bad bacteria. And that imbalance can be caused by when you take antibiotic for a prolonged period of time. Antibiotic inatusaidia kama tuko na bacterial infection. It kills those harmful bacteria. But when we overextend the period of time, it goes and even destroy the benefit bacteria that you need for your system. So when it does that, so your system becomes easy prey for infections kama candidiasis ama yeast infection. So they come in. So we are saying when you use a probiotic, it now comes and balances that system, that ecosystem. So when it balances, unapata, it's able to flush away the bad bacteria, to balance it in a good way. But sometimes also you find another way, probiotics are good for your digestion. So kama uko na constipation pia inakusaidia, inakurelieve. And probiotics also is one thing people need to know. It's what we call strain specific. For example, unaweza sema naendesha wacha nikunywe probiotic. No, you have to be very specific which one you're using because not all of them are used for any other condition. So for example, kama unaendesha as a result of taking an antibiotic for a prolonged period of time, unatafuta yenye inaitwa, you have to look, this we call it Saccharomyces. That is the one that you look for because the one that
one helps.
It helps to reduce, we call them antibiotic associated diarrhea. So it helps to relieve that. So you have to come and check the probiotic you're using, which ingredient, which is the specific strain that it has. So if you look at this one, I don't know if the cameraman can be able to pick it.
Inakaa ndogo kidogo.
Inakaa ndogo. So if you look at this one, it has Streptococcus, it has Lactobacillus. Lactobacillus is the one that helps with the vaginal. Lactobacillus is the one that helps with the vaginal health. So it has Lactobacillus here. It also has Bifidobacterium. Bifidobacterium is the one that is used for if you're having digestive problems. Unapata ukiwa na mambo na if you have a gastrointestinal problems, you'll have abdominal pain and you'll have cramps. So when you take probiotic ambayo iko na Bifidobacterium, it will help to sort that. So when you look at probiotic, this one for Brookside Plus, it has all these major strains of the probiotic. So it's good whatever system. Kama uko na antibiotic associated diarrhea, kama unaga any or even vaginal health problem, it will be able to sort it out. Yes.
Ndio wanatuambia live life free with Brookside Plus probiotic yogurt.
Yes.
So we need to